In this video, I show you how to fix an error occurred while loading this page problem on Facebook. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store. First of all, check Facebook update. Search Facebook. Check for Facebook update. If update available, then update Facebook app. Now search 111 VPN. Click on it. Install. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search Facebook. Click on Facebook. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Then manage space. Now click on delete. Now open 1.1.1 VPN app. Click on it. Click on next. Accept. Install VPN profile. OK. Not now. Now click on connect. Now open Facebook app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.